Hello, today I'm going to talk about the organic Vermont Bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup by Trader Joe's. Now, Trader Joe's has a lot of great products, and I recently have acquired this one. It recently came out in the past couple months, and this was my first time trying the product. My boyfriend uses it too. He and I live together, and we love to have this when we have our waffles in the morning. Lately, we've been having pumpkin waffles, and this goes great with that. It has a very robust taste, and as you can see, it's a very dark kind of amber color, and it looks that way when you pour it out too. You can also tell that I have used quite a lot of it. I got it about a month ago, and we eat a lot of waffles. What can I say? Also, it does pour out of the spout fairly quickly, so when you open it, it's kind of glued shut right now, but when you open it, it twists off, and there really isn't anything to regulate how much comes out, so you have to be careful when you're pouring it, or it all comes out at once. I love cooking with maple syrup too. And I like to make this salmon maple recipe that I have, or maple salmon, and I really enjoy that. So it's not just for breakfast, just a simple hint. It can be used as an everyday ingredient in your dinner cooking and your meals. It is very sticky, just like most maple syrup. And this, I would say, is a family size. Like, you could, if you had a lot of people over, or if you have kids, this is a decent size maple syrup. A lot of the time you don't get this much in one bottle, especially stuff that is this good, so just keep that in mind. The glass bottle is also better for the environment. I also don't have to worry about the toxins from plastic containers. It works really well when you heat it up. It tastes much better, in my opinion, when it's hot. I do like the label. I think the leaves are really nice, and they're embossed, so they stick out a little bit. It's USDA organic certified, and it has about 110 calories per serving. Serving size is 2 tablespoons, sorry. And it does look like it really doesn't have that many ingredients, which is what I strive for. You don't want the artificial additives or anything. This is organic bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup. That's what it's made of. So that's all really nice. It's distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in California, and you're supposed to refrigerate it after opening it. So if you want to store it and you've already opened it, make sure that you put it in the fridge. It lasts longer that way. I've made the mistake of doing that, although it was very hot in my house, so I just don't advise it. It's really heavy in the beginning, so just keep that in mind if you have children and they're trying to pour it. Like I said, it comes out very quickly of the spout, and it's also kind of difficult to pour and to hold. It's definitely a nice gift idea for someone who likes brunch or breakfast. I mean, who doesn't like breakfast or brunch? So it's also really pretty looking, so it's nice if you are, looking for a new gift for somebody. And this is 12.7 fluid ounces, so you get quite a lot in one container. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you check out more about it. It's great to have in the morning over pancakes, waffles, French toast, ice cream, and the cap here is black, and it's much richer and bolder tasting than the standard maple syrup that I've tried in the past. Especially, it's nothing like pancake syrup at all. But that's, a very different thing. It's a great product from Trader Joe's, and I would recommend it to anyone who likes organic maple syrup with a strong taste. Trader Joe's is located in California. I love this company. It was founded in 1958. They sell groceries all over the country. So yes, definitely check out this product.